is this layering, right? So now that is white, but it's so small. I'm gonna go over it, right? I want to block in all this value slightly darker than the paper everywhere. That's where I had the white of the paper. So that's, I'm gonna leave it alone, right? But the rest is gonna be all darker than the paper. So as I do this, right, what I need to do, I need to find the highest highlight, right? And decide where is the highest highlight, what is the darkest value. And then now I have the tonal range, right? I had an idea where the highest highlight is, what the darkest value is. So when, let's say, I know that the highest highlight are about here and here. Between the lights is kind of a direction like this, right? It's not like this, because then you would have this light, but I don't. So the light is more like this, right? So if the highlight is here and here, right? Then when I find myself in an area where there's a very light value, such as this one, right? I'm thinking, okay, should I leave it white? And then I look at the highlight and I say, no, that is not white. That is the highlight. Makes sense? Now I have way of appreciating, or here, that is the highlight, right? But this is not the highlight. It's lighter than that, but it's not the highlight, meaning these are the absolute highlights that relate to the whole form. And this is a relative highlight. In relation to this, yes, it's a highlight, but only in relation to this, not in absolute terms. So if I don't do this, if I don't find the highlight, when I see this, I might leave it white, and that is not white. So then I lose the coherence between the values.